Do a drink. Rubbish. You can't get like Kenko in Lidl or Aldi. So they brought this back. It's not good. Oh dear me. Kettle makes a weird noise here. The water doesn't boil like the water at home. And I know water's water, but it's different. It's like that weird. And that's bottled water. We don't use tap water, God no. So it's still him having a week's worth of no alcohol. Didn't even last a day.
I can hear you.
Yeah, well, it's true. You know what? Today it's going to be a lovely day. The skies are absolutely clear. The sun's already out, and it's about, let's see what time it is. I don't know what time it is, to be honest with you. It's about 9:20, something like that. It's going to be lovely today. So I shall get myself ready and get out for my ride. My morning ride. I mean, I should feel fortunate really for some people. This would be like a dream come true. I know it doesn't suit. I know it doesn't suit everybody. Obviously, it doesn't suit everyone. But for some people, doing what we do would be like a dream come true for them. Obviously, we just take it for granted. But you do, don't you? It's really weird when you're doing something like you're coming out here to Spain. Wait till they've gone, and then you kind of say, "Oh, I'll get up in the morning and I'll do this and I'll do that and I'll do that every day and then I'll go and do this." And you don't do any of it. You don't. I used to say, I'll get up in the morning and get Hoover out and give it a good clean before we go out and stuff, and you don't. You don't do all these things. Excuse me. God knows what it'll be like in summer, when it's red hot. You won't be bothered to do anything at all. Would you like to say hello to our boo-boo? Come and say hello to the people, boo-boo. No, boo-boo, you've got to come up. Dion, get in. Get in. Dion. Now they can't. Wind's gone and blown door shut. Dion, say hello to people. Come here, Dion. Not you. Dion, Marie. Dion Marie. Here she is. Here's our Dion Marie. She loves her papa, don't you? She loves her papa. Are you looking at camera? You little poser. You little poser. You little poser. You're beautiful, aren't you? You are beautiful. Oh, a beautiful girl. Yeah. A boo-boo. A boo-boo. 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 Oh, and there we have our booby. We have them both now. There we go. Hello, booby. I know. Who's a big boy? Who's handsome? Oh, handsome big boy, aren't you? You're a handsome big boy. You are? Well, people can't see me. You're a handsome big boy. Look at him. Look how he sits. You're such a handsome boy. Aren't you? All she does is bloody barks. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I know what he's looking for though. Cats. Are you looking for cats? Dion. You looking for cats? You look monkey. Oh, Tom's looking a bit messy today. I'm doing some music, doing a bit of mixing down with some tracks and things, so it's like, let's just pull the camera down. I'm just doing some tracks, so got bass speaker and all sorts in here today. It's tea time. I'm going to start cooking in a minute. So tonight we are having shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie tonight. So I'm kind of doing it and kind of not doing it, if you know what I mean. So tonight I've got potatoes are really expensive here. So I've got this box of like mash that you add water to. I'm going to give that a bash. So I'm going to see. Dale, what socks hanging about on floor for?
Oh, pass me.
These are wet, you know that?
They're a bit damp, I've got them on here to dry.
Okay. So I'm going to do a shepherd's pie for tea. But, with all honesty, there's that much stuff around. I've got to empty the whole area first before I can even begin to start. Here we go. This cooker's not been opened for what? 3 weeks? 3 or 4 weeks. I've not even used the stove. Forgot what I'm bloody doing. Right, let's do some mince first. Out with my pan. Now I'm not sure about this mince. I am, but obviously. What are you whispering for?
Oh, you got them. We just make sure you shouldn't chew them. Or just put.
Why are you putting this on the seat?
So I can put it underneath.
There's too much stuff underneath. It's just
Trying to make you some
underneath's
room.
absolutely packed, solid. So I'm not. I am sure. Obviously, it's fresh and everything, but It looks a bit, don't want to say how well Dale's here because it's really funny with meat and stuff. Seems a little bit, look, it's a bit chunky, a bit on the chunky side. I want to give it a bash. Give it a go. See how it goes. Guys, let's do this. Let's cook some tea. So we're having shepherd's pie. I don't know whether to put them in these little bowls. Bowls look quite nice, don't they? Do you know what? I haven't cooked for that long. I'm a bit arse over tit with it. Let's have a look under here and see if we've got a spatula thing. Have I? Oh, this'll do. Boom! Let's put some lights on so you can see what we're doing. Do you know what I'm having like? I'm having one of those days today. It's kind of not so much a lazy day. Let's get you right here. I'm not having such a lazy day. I'm just having one of them days. Just one of them days. It's a big pack of mints. This didn't look it when I was buying it. But there's a lot of mints in here. Hope it grinds down okay. He's after this. No. Now I'm putting some carrots and some peas in this. And some mushrooms. I might do the carrots separate. I'm going to do my carrots in the microwave first and just soften them. I'll soften them down. Space. We don't get a lot. Do some carrots now. I'm having one of my arsey days. I'm having an arsey day. What? I just feel it. I just feel like it's one of them arsey days. And I don't want to have an arsey day, but I am, because I can feel it. I think I could do with just getting smashed tonight, really. That's not going to happen, you know that, but... Carrots. So we're going to do carrots in micro, okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'll then add my mushrooms in. Cut me. Guys, if you're ever going to buy a knife, get one of these. Smarto knife. The problem is they're so bloody sharp. It's like a serrated knife. Right, this is looking good. I've made one big mistake. What? Nah, put my onions in. Yes, do an onion. Can't believe I've not done a bloody onion. I knew something was missing. You know when you're cooking and like you're thinking, I'm sure I'm missing something here. I bloody hate it when I bloody buy onions. You think you've got a good one and then you've got a bloody bad in it. Let's get this out. Right, let's see what this onion's like. This half. So we're getting there. It's all in pan now, and it's cooking slowly. I'm not going to drench it off though. I'm not going to drench it in the pan with loads of juices and stuff. I'm just going to let it kind of use the water that's in there, and then hopefully it will make it a bit more juicier. Chef down. Yeah, it is me. Nice mountains in the background. Will you stop it please, you boy? Oh God, these dogs. Every time I record. Look at that blue sky. Hey.
It's about people sniffing. Like when you're walking, you're constantly stopping.
Right, we're going to take you up onto the terrace now. This is called the terrace. Come on up, you idiot stick. They're all battered, I think. Go on, idiot. This way, idiot. We're just going to, we'll go this way and then show them up to the top. Will you stop pulling, please? And this is the terrace. So you get a nice view. And then you've got your pool table, which is nice.
I don't think there'll be any sunny around.
No. Could do. And then down here, we have a pool. This is very nice. Nice pool. And then, looking on from the pool, can you take them through? Are we going around the front, or do you want to go around up to the end here? Well, do you want me to go to the end here? Or do you want to go out front? I'll have a latte, please. And then we've got an Aldi just over there. Okay, coming through. Quick, quick. Good girl. Good boy. And now we're on the front. So it's nice. It's and this takes us back out onto the main drag. Show you the main drag. There we go. Got a few bars over the road. We've got the caravan shop, and we've got a few bars. Couple closed down. I don't know how they can close down here because this park is massive. There's quite a lot of parks right down there, if you can see down that road. Next door to us is La Torreta. That's another one. So it's yeah, it's busy enough. Probably.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo está? No.
We got lead.
Every time
We got lead.
I'm recording, they do this to me. No. Dion, don't know Dion Marie. Control him. Control him. Dion! Every time I record, they're a nightmare, these two.
Hey.
We went out for a quiet one tonight. I don't know whether this one knows the definition of quiet. Do you know the definition of quiet? Yeah, well, it's not quiet in that way. It's quiet in that way. Try a coffee instead of that. Been a nice day today. Been hanging around motorhome, been out for a ride this morning with Dion. And then Dale's been out for an hour on bike as well.
Yep.
I don't know what to call it. What would you call it?
Scooter.
Yeah, but when you call it a scooter, it sounds like one of them four-wheeled things, doesn't it? Like an invalidity scooter. And it's not. Do you want to have a look at last night's act? Shall we show them last night's act?
How? Oh, yeah.
Like this. What did you think?
He's really good, actually.
Very good. Did you like him?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
He's as good as real one, to be fair.
You've never seen real
Yeah, I have.
Bruno Mars?
Yeah.
Shut up.
I have.
No, you've not.
I went with Kerry Pierce.
You've not been to see Bruno Mars.
Well, me, Kerry, and Katie went. And it was standing.
Yeah, and you were probably drunk.
Well, yeah. I didn't know where what, to be honest.
You didn't?
No.
You didn't know Bruno Mars. Well, I mean, I'm 56. And I know who Bruno Mars is.
You know what? You bring him out and he's stressing all over the place. You go in and he's stressing all over the place. I let him off late to run around and he's still stressing out, and then comes he sits on your knee blind.
Yeah,
Don't know what he wants to do.
I know what I want to do. I want to go back. It's too cold.
It's nasty.
Bye.